We're here today at Adopt a Block, our free community outreach, and we'll be providing free groceries to all the families who come out, and so that grant money is going toward food relief in Volusia County. We go all over Volusia County. We were just in Pearson last weekend. We were at the Derbyshire Place this past Wednesday, and today we're at Palmetto Park Unit serving the families with some free food assistance. Just this week, we've helped about 400 households, which if you count the individuals in that household, it's almost 1,500 people. That's our goal, is to outreach into the community. We provide free groceries for families, seniors, single moms, anyone who needs food who's not able to receive assistance. We go out into the community with our mobile food truck. We provide free groceries. We also have several community programs just to uplift families. On behalf of the Daytona Dream Center, we would just like to say a huge thank you to the Volusia County Women Who Care for all of your support, especially in this time of the pandemic where so many people are running into issues with getting food and just receiving help in general. We just want to say thank you so much for caring. We love Volusia County and we appreciate you so much.